Today we are going to Saraburi from Bangkok for a camping trip. We will travel by train, so we are going to the station now. We took the expressway, now crossing Tham Phra river. It was a weekday. Because of traffic jam, we had to take 2 expressways for a toll of 70 Thai baht in total. We have arrived at Thep Afiat rail station. It's near Chatuchak weekend market. We have bought our tickets online. The website link will be in the description box. This 3-hour train journey will show you the raw beauty of Thailand. We are now at Khob Chon station. As we planned to rent a bike, we came to Khob Chon first because we visited here many times before and know multiple bike rental shops. It's tough if you fail to find a personal vehicle. Grab and Bolt are not so available here. On the way to our campsite in Khao district, this white Buddha statue surrounded by lavish greenery captured our attention. It's called Wat Thep Phithak Punnaram. We didn't enter because we had to reach our campsite before evening. We just took a look at this magnificent statue and passed by it. We encountered this snake. It was crossing the road. The roads were really very peaceful. It was a comfort for the eyes. We stopped here to take a short break and have some drinks. We are almost there, our campsite. It's called Khob Chon camp, located beside a large fishing lake. We are now setting our tent. It's Decathlon MH100 for 3 people. There is a detailed video of tent setting. Product and video link will be in the description box. Final look. We are now relaxing in front of our tent. Cormorants are floating on the lake. We enjoyed a colorful sunset. We had chicken barbecue for dinner. Hot smoky barbecue is the best on a cold November night. Next morning, we went to visit Tham Phra Phothisat cave. It's situated southwest of Khao Nam Nok, nearly 24 kilometers from our camp. This is the entrance. We can see dogs and monkeys living in harmony. There is no fee to visit this place. There is a map of the entire place. We had to climb 337 steep steps to reach the cave. We are about to enter. The stratigraphy of this cave consists of Saraburi group, which is grey to white-grey lime mudstone. Breccia can also be found in some of the walls. The direction of the cave hall orients almost in the north-south direction, developed by the dissolution of limestone along the fractures. It's assumed that the cave was filled with water in the past. It's an archaeological site officially registered in Saraburi province. Again, we are on the base of the hill. Here you can see different types of rock samples with description. We were too exhausted to see properly. From here 25 to 30 feet away you will find a small waterfall, no hiking. It's weak because it didn't rain for at least 2 months. More monkeys. When I tried to take a picture, he smiled at me. We are now heading back to the camp. There is a viewpoint nearby, so we decided to take a glimpse. It was totally worth it. So it was our short camping trip to Saraburi. Thanks for watching.